In this video, I'll show you how to make a GIF for Discord. It's going to be a full guide video, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. At first, go to your App Store, go to your Play Store, and make sure you have the GIF app on your phone. So once you have installed it, make sure you create an account. So what you need to do now, I already have my account, so I'm going to go back, click on this GIF. Once it's opened up, you're going to click on the plus icon. Once you click on it, you can make any GIF you want. You can make a sticker, you can make a text. So let's say if I want to make a text, I'm going to click on this text. I'm going to come on here, I'll type in "Thank you, Jesus." So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on update text. So I'm going to wait for it to gradually open up. So I'm going to just wait for it to gradually load up. So once it has opened up, I'm going to click on the done. Once you click on it, done, click on this arrow icon. So what you need to do, click on upload to GIF. So click on it. So wait for it to load. So you can see how it's currently uploading. So once it is done with uploading, what you need to do, click on it. Click on this icon. Click on copy sticker. Go back. Go to your Discord. Select the channel. You can come on here and paste the sticker. So this is how you can make a GIF for Discord. You can create picture GIF, text GIFs, and all you want. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.